Hello friends, this is Abhijit and welcome back to my channel Abhijit from North. Today I am walking around a small town called FLORØ in Norway. Actually we are supposed to fly to the oil platform yesterday, but our helicopter got delayed due to the weather. So I'm just taking a small walk around the town, and let's go. I'll show you also FLORØ. I really like the small cozy Norwegian towns with a small road, less people, maybe couple of supermarkets, and it's very good to walk around in these kind of small cities. It's a very good experience. Hello friends, if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and please also watch my other videos I mentioned in the description box. Till then, be safe, be happy and bye bye.